If you're on the market for a golden visa here on the Costa del Sol, it's being abolished by April 3rd. That means you basically want to be signing title deed by Valentine's Day. Hey guys, welcome back to another High Homes video, Expert Talks, together with Peter. Peter, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel.
Nice to be here.
Yeah. So, what does this mean? Valentine's Day. How do we interpret that information?
It's gonna be well, good timing, no?
Yeah, I know.
Valentine's Day is on the 14th, right?
That's right. February 14th.
It's good to remember that for me as well.
Yeah.
Now, okay, so let's be serious now. So yes, correct, first of all, that the golden visa regime is being abolished. It's cancelled in Spain, and the legislation came into force. It was published on the 3rd of January. 3 months from 3rd of January is, of course, 3rd of April. So officially, it will be gone by the 3rd of April. So theoretically, the complete application for the golden visa needs to be in their office on the 2nd of April. But we have to track back to understand the process of buying a property in Spain, to understand why is Valentine's Day the deadline, so to speak, or at least from our point of view, the final day recommended by us. So on mid-February, to be not guaranteed, but to have the best chances to fulfill the requirements for the golden visa, you need to be the owner of a real estate in Spain, minimum 500,000 euros net. And why mid-February? Well, because one document that is very important for the application for the golden visa is a certificate from the Land Registry. So when you become the owner, you sign a title deed at the notary here in Spain, and then after that, the Land Registry, they have 15 days legally to register you as a new owner of that property. So that's 15 days. And then for us to require the certificate from the Land Registry, it's another 5 days. So we're talking about minimum 20 days, 21, 22 days maybe. First of all, you need to be the owner of the real estate to hold the asset. And then we calculate another couple of weeks for the certificate, which brings us mid-March, end of March, right? And before that, so before you fulfill the first requirement of being the owner of the real estate, you need to talk to your broker, find the property, negotiate the contract, maybe, of course, speed up that process as quickly as possible, work with lawyers that can arrange that for you, have the due diligence ready, all the contracts ready, to make sure that you can complete the transaction mid-February, because you need the certificate, and that's going to take you another couple of weeks. So if you're a buyer right now, or you're somebody that's looking for the golden visa and it's urgent, of course, you need to act right now to give yourself the best possible chances. And what would I recommend? Well, I would recommend that you get in touch with a lawyer immediately, so we can win some time by gathering those other documents that are also needed for the application, so to prepare the file. Then, of course, together with your broker, find the property, 15th of February, not later, and then we have all the documents, and then together with the certificate, the file would be complete not later than the 2nd of April to fulfill the requirements.
So
TikTok.
So basically, like if that is you, it's like race time.
Yeah.
Race time. It's possible. It's possible. Like 100% possible, but it's a proper race. Like you need to be prepared and basically not waste any time.
I would say so. Yeah, it's quite obvious, and I mean you guys would know that here in Spain usually you have a certain, well, traditional timeline for a transaction. We have a reservation contract. 2 weeks later, we have a PPC contract. 3-4 weeks to completion. But in this case, with lawyers, you can speed that process up and make sure.
I mean, actually, the reality is that if you were to buy a property of 700,000 euros and you require a 200k mortgage, like forget it. Like you're not going to be on time. It's very unlikely, right?
Don't involve banks.
That's what I'm saying. Like
no.
if you add the layer of a bank.
The NIE number, actually, of course, we will probably have enough time to apply for the NIE number, but it can actually be added after the signature of the title deed.
Sure.
So that it's not crucial that you have it within just a few weeks. We can sort that out.
If you are in the market, you need to move fast, basically.
That's right.
Peter, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
Yeah. If you are new to this space, click the button, comment any questions you would like us to answer in our Expert Talks, Costa Insights, or reach out to us for that matter. Don't forget to subscribe to the Heinz channel so we can keep you guys posted with the best of the best. Hasta luego!